Welcome to Wausau Tile. We're going to demonstrate a hidden Lok-Down installation. This is your terrace stand top and bottom, and this is your Lok-Down puck. What you're going to do is take this apart. Take your terrace stand top and the puck and have this side up. You want to make sure that when this is going in, you have that side up. You're going to screw the puck all the way down. And this gets you your puck inside the terrace stand top. You have your washer and bolt. The bolt screws in. That's how you get your Lok-Down system. Once you get your row set, you're going to put your washer into the slot. Take your bolt and find the center. Give it a couple turns to secure the washer into the puck. Do this for each terrace stand down the row. This will give you a much easier installation. The slope of the pedestal needs to be set prior to putting the pedestal top on. Now that you have 4 pavers, you're going to tighten it down. Keep placing pavers down, working all the way across a row. Be sure to tighten as you go. Before moving on to the next row, adjust your pedestals, making sure they are centered. Place a washer in each slot and slightly tighten the washer with a bolt. Here's a closer look. You want to make sure that you're as close to center as possible, so that way the bolt will drop straight down. To remove a paver, loosen the screw and use it to push the washer out of the way. Do this on all 4 corners on the paver you want removed. To place a paver in the center of a group, make sure washers are out of the way first. Once paver is in place, use the screw to push the washer towards the center of the terrace stand and tighten it down. And that's how you install our hidden lockdown system. Thanks for watching!